Mijn naam is Ulrike Nagel. Welkom bij de uitzendingen vanaf de Hannover Messe hier in hal 16 op de Nederlandse stand. Net stond op het programma John Blankendaal van Brainport Industries. Hij heeft even gebeld, hij moet nu even in een andere hal zijn, maar vanmiddag komt hij terug. Dus gaan we gewoon verder met ons programma. Naast mij staat Maarten Willems van Village Pump. Hello, Maarten.
Hello.
Village Pump.
Yes.
What kind of company is it? I read Safe Water Solutions.
Yes, we make a pump, a hand-powered water purification pump for countries where the water is very dirty. You just put the hose in the water, like a lake or rainwater harvesting. You start pumping by hand, and then you can drink from the tap.
Okay, so it's a machine. I think we see it now, right now in the live stream. You can pump. It's quite small.
Yeah, it's called the village pump. It looks like a pump and it works like a pump. Just like the people are used to getting water from the pump, but now they're secure of their health by drinking this water.
The pump is like 100 years ago. We did that on the street. Sometimes you see them also in Germany. Mm-hmm. But what's so special about this one?
It's completely different. It's the new technology. We use a ultra filtration membrane, so we push the water through this very fine filter. Thereby, the water is very pure and clean. So all bacteria, all diseases are getting out of the water, and you're drinking really safe water.
And everything by hand, or?
Everything by hand. Yes.
So you don't need electricity?
It's completely man-powered, so we don't need electricity, no batteries, no UV panels. We want to make it as simple as a bicycle. So also the maintenance is like maintaining a bicycle.
Okay, so really simple.
Very simple.
So I think you aim at countries who really need this.
Yeah, the countries where there is water, but where the water is not clean, and you don't want the water to buy from bottles. So like in Africa or in Indonesia or India, there's enough water. People drink or too dirty water, or they have to buy water from the bottle, and then they pay like 15 cents. Some people use this pump to sell the water, and then they can sell it like 1 cent per liter.
Okay. How long did it take to develop this?
It took us like 2 years to develop the pump, and a little bit more to make it on mass production. So we start making the plastic parts from molds, and that takes a little bit more time.
Okay, and it's on the market right now?
It's on the market right now, and we have several pumps out in the world.
Yeah, where?
In Mali there are 5 pumps, and in Indonesia we have in Suriname.
Yeah.
And they are already in the field, and people are very happy with.
Yeah, how does that work? Do they give you phone calls like?
Well, no, we get like we get emails from them.
Yeah.
The communities may have usually get the pumps from a small government or foundation, and then we get the feedback because we like the feedback, and they want to share with us that they're happy with this.
It's such a simple idea. I would think there are a lot of other companies making this or thinking of this, but are you the only one, or is there some concurrency?
You have these very small ones, you know, the straws. There's a little bit like this, but they have just a little water. And then you have the big installations with the batteries and with the generators, and they're very expensive.
This is something in between.
There's something in between. So we have like 500 liters an hour. So we have a lot of enough water for a small village.
And I think you must keep it cheap.
Yeah, there was the challenge to keep it affordable, of course. That's one reason we didn't want to use batteries or UV panels, to make it simple and easier to replace components.
Okay. Such a small product, but really, really useful. But what are you doing on such a large Hannover Messe like this?
Because we made an innovation, that's why we're known about, and then they invite us here to come.
Okay. Is there, we are in Germany, but it's a Dutch company. Is there something trade relation when it concerns your product?
Definitely, we're now negotiating with a Dutch, a German party in near Munich to collaborate with us. So.
Okay, so you're selling it here too, or?
Well, they're gonna resell it, so
yeah,
they're gonna help us sell it. They have the contacts in Africa, and we can use this.
Can you make a living of it already? Because
not
2 years
not
is not
yet.
long.
No. This is a startup, so we had an investor want to invest money, and now we're selling it. So now the money is coming back, and we have to pay this back first, and then maybe we can make a living, or maybe we're gonna make other products from what we earn from the pump.
I hope so. Good for you. A lot of business relations maybe on this
We hope
Hannover
so,
Messe.
yeah.
Wij gaan door met ons programma, met het live programma. Zometeen nog Hans van der Spek in ieder geval, Silke Klaus en nog heel veel meer eigenlijk. Tot straks.